Standalone Tool Manager now has a new color theme section in the Preferences window, making it easy to change the color to options like Vericut Dark Blue or Dark Mode. These options are the same as existing color theme options in the Vericut Preferences window. This update improves visual consistency across products while giving users more flexibility to choose the interface theme they prefer. Reamer tools in Vericut now support an adjustable chamfer angle, allowing for more accurate tool representation. Previously fixed at 45 degrees, the chamfer angle can now be defined based on imported tooling data, ensuring reamers reflect their true geometry. This enhancement improves compatibility with external tooling systems and increases simulation accuracy. Vericut 9.7 introduces a new pipe tap tool type in Tool Manager, enabling accurate definition and simulation of tapered pipe taps. Users can now select from standard sizes across NPT, BSPT, and BSPP specifications, making it easy to create realistic tools that match industry standards. Unlike traditional taps, pipe taps include an external taper, which is now properly represented in the simulation. This enhancement addresses long-standing user requests and improves accuracy when working with pipe threading operations. Center drills now include an OK to mill option, allowing them to be used for side cutting operations without triggering drill-related errors. Available in the Tool Component tab, this option mirrors the existing functionality for standard drills, providing consistent behavior and greater flexibility in tool usage. This enhancement enables more accurate simulation and expands the practical use of center drills in milling operations. For more information on Tool Manager, see the Vericut help.